Hey guys. So, I look like shit. My lighting is really bad. Sorry. I'm making this video, honestly, just to vent, I guess. So if you follow me on Instagram, you kind of know that I've been having some things going on. Sorry, I'm just trying to fix my lighting. I've definitely had a lot going on in my life. I'm not going to get super into it other than I have a lot of things that I need to deal with personally and work on in regards to myself. One of those things would be my thoughts. My suicidal thoughts have been getting really bad. Sometimes my depression will get the best of me at night because I'm like alone with my head and I don't know how to deal with it, so I cut myself and I don't know. I just can't deal with it. I can't take the things that people say about me. I can't. I'm not mentally okay. I'm not. I guess the reason why I'm making this video is just to say that if I'm not on my YouTube and my social media for a while, this is why. I'm not okay mentally. I sometimes don't think that I should be here. If people don't care, that it'd just be so much fucking easier if I just didn't exist anymore, I guess. So, yeah, if I'm not on my channel and stuff like that a lot anymore, or for a bit, that's why. It's because I'm trying to work on myself and fix myself, and I'm not at a point that I can do that right now and keep up with my social media, and I keep brushing it off and smiling and acting like I'm fine, and I'm not. I don't know what else to do. I've tried therapy, I've tried positive coping things to try to get better, and I just don't know how. So, I'm gonna take some time for myself or something, because I don't know what to do, and I'm scared for myself. I don't want to go back in the hospital, and I feel like I'm going to have to, because I am in a negative headspace, I guess, as they would clinically call it. I don't know if I would consider myself to have suicidal thoughts. I mean, I think about suicide a lot. I think about what it would be like if I wasn't here. But I don't think that I would ever try anything again. Like, I think they're just thoughts, I guess. I don't know. I don't know. All I could say is I'm trying my best. I'm trying my hardest to get better. And, I just feel like no one's on my side right now. I mean, I know people are, but it doesn't ever feel that way, because actions speak louder than words, and a lot of people in my life right now are there when they want to be there, and not, you know, if I need them, or when I need them. They can text me, and, like, for example, they'll text me and I'm there for them, but when I need someone, everyone just disappears. That's how I feel right now. That's how it is right now. So yeah, if I'm not on my YouTube and my Instagram and like that, then I'm sorry, you guys. It's not because I'm forgetting about you guys or because I don't want to be on social media. It's just because I am in such a bad place right now that I just can't do it. I can't deal with myself and deal with that. So yeah, I hope you guys understand, and I appreciate the constant support and the fan base that I've accumulated through social media. I'm not saying I'm not going to post and stuff, it just might not be super frequent or all the time. It might just be when I know that I can be okay that day, I guess. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.